let's write the perpendicular equation that's given this original line, and this perpendicular equation has to go through this point. So first of all, it's nice to see that this original equation is already in the slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. And so it's easy to find the original slope. The original slope is the number in front of the x, which is -4/9. Now, we need to write the general formula for the equation of the line. Slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Now, we need to write the perpendicular slope. And remember, perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slopes. Now, if that's kind of hard for you to understand, you can understand that in math, negative means opposite sign. And reciprocal means just flip that fraction over. So perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slope or opposite sign flip slopes. So if this sign was negative, then the opposite sign is positive. If the fraction was 4/9, if I flip that fraction, that's 9/4. So the perpendicular slope is 9/4. Now, when you're given a slope and you don't have a y-intercept, you need a point. So this is the point where we're looking at, and this is our x and this is our y. So now let's start substituting the values into y equals mx plus b. Our y is 1. Our perpendicular slope is 9/4. Keep in mind, anytime I see a fraction, I'm going to put parentheses, and anytime I'm substituting, I'm putting parentheses. So our x is -1. And now we're solving for b. So here we have 1 equals, you can feel free to put this in the calculator exactly as you see it, or anything times 1 is itself, and since we are multiplying by -1, this is -9/4. You want to solve for b, so the opposite of a minus is plus 9/4. What you do on the right, you do to the left. And so b equals, you can feel free to put this in the calculators exactly as you see it, or think about when you were learning about adding and subtracting fractions, you need the same denominator. So here the common denominator is 4, and if I want to have a fraction that is equivalent to 1, that's 4/4. So the common denominator is 4, and then 4 plus 9 is 13. So now we have our perpendicular slope, we have our y-intercept, so the equation of the perpendicular line is y equals 9/4x plus 13/4.